The Jurassic Park film series has depicted the dinosaur called the Velociraptor as a large scaly dinosaur that can easily chase down its prey in coordinated packs. But now new research suggests that Jurassic Park got it all wrong. Join me today as I discuss this new discovery and give some of my personal thoughts and opinions on this analysis. So, without any further ado, let's begin. A new analysis of raptor teeth shows that Dromosaurid raptorial dinosaurs most likely did not hunt in big coordinated packs like wolves. Although it is widely accepted, evidence for this behavior is relatively weak. Recently, scientists have proposed a different model of behavior in raptors that is thought to be more like modern-day birds and reptiles. One such animal they are comparing it to is the Komodo dragon, in which individuals may attack the same animal, but cooperation is very limited. Raptors like the Deinonychus with their sickle-shaped claws were made famous in the 1993 blockbuster film Jurassic Park, which portrayed them as highly intelligent apex predators that worked in groups to hunt down large prey. Raptorial dinosaurs often are shown as hunting in packs similar to wolves, said Joseph Fredrickson, a paleontologist and director of the Wes Earth Museum. Now, the evidence for this behavior is, however, not that convincing. Since we can't watch these dinosaurs hunt in person, we must use indirect methods to determine their behavior in life. Fredrickson led the study in partnership with two colleagues at the University of Oklahoma and the San Noble Museum. Although it is widely accepted, evidence for the pack-hunting dinosaur proposed by the famed Yale University paleontologist John Ostrom is relatively weak, said Fredrickson. Now, it is not 100% out of the question that behavior like pack hunting in dromasaurs was false, because that does not fossilize, so you can't directly test whether these animals actually work together to hunt prey. It was proposed in this study that there is a correlation between pack hunting and the diet of animals as they grow. Fredrickson said that Komodo dragon infants are at risk of being eaten by the adults, so they take refuge in the trees, where they find a ton of food unavailable to their larger ground-dwelling parents. Animals that hunt in packs do not generally show this dietary diversity. If we can look at the diet of young raptors versus the old ones, we can come up with a hypothesis of whether or not they hunted in groups. To do this, the scientists considered the chemistry of teeth from the raptor Deinonychus. Stable isotopes and carbon and oxygen were used to get an idea of diet and water sources for these animals. They also looked at crocodilian and herbivorous dinosaurs in the same geologic formation. The scientists found that the crocodilians that lived at the time of the raptors, like the modern-day ones, show a difference in diet between the smallest and the largest teeth, indicating a distinct transaction in diet as they grew. This is what we'd come to expect for an animal where the parents do not provide food for their young. We can also see the same pattern in the raptors, where the smallest teeth and the large teeth do not have the same average carbon isotope values, indicating that they were eating different foods. This means that the young were not being fed by the adults, which is why we believe Jurassic Park was wrong about raptor behavior. Fredrickson also added that the method used in this study to analyze carbon in teeth could be applied to see whether other extinct creatures may have hunted in packs as well. If you like this little bit of news I have about Dromosaurids, then be sure to subscribe to the Dinosaur Discovery, and also remember to like this video if you'd like to see more dinosaur content. This has been Carrying Crabtree, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.